Ever wondered what makes Jaguar cars so special? Is it their sleek design, their powerful performance, or perhaps their rich history? Let's travel through the world of Jaguar, exploring some of their most iconic models and see what really sets them apart. Our journey begins with the Jaguar E-Type, a car that's been turning heads since the swinging 60s. This model is a true testament to Jaguar's commitment to elegance and speed. With its long, curvaceous body and a top speed of over 150 miles per hour, the E-Type quickly became a symbol of the high-speed, high-style era from which it was born. Then we have the Jaguar XJ, the flagship luxury saloon. Known for its comfort and refinement, the XJ is the epitome of British sophistication. It offers a smooth, quiet ride thanks to its advanced suspension system, and its plush interior is second to none. The XJ is a car that truly understands the art of luxury. Now let's move on to the Jaguar F-Type. A modern classic, the F-Type is a sports car that doesn't compromise on performance. With its supercharged engine and agile handling, it offers an exhilarating driving experience. But it's not all about speed. The F-Type also boasts a sleek aerodynamic design that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Finally, we come to the Jaguar Whoop-Pace, the brand's first all-electric vehicle. This is a car that truly embodies Jaguar's innovative spirit. With its impressive range, rapid charging capabilities, and zero emissions, the I-Pace is a game-changer in the world of electric vehicles. In summary, what makes Jaguar cars so special is their unique blend of style, performance, and innovation. From the timeless elegance of the E-Type to the cutting-edge technology of the I-Pace, each model offers something unique. They all embody the essence of Jaguar, a commitment to creating cars that are as thrilling to drive as they are to look at. So, whether you're a car enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates fine design, there's a Jaguar out there for you. These cars are more than just a means of transportation. They're a statement, a lifestyle, a testament to the power of design and engineering. That's the magic of Jaguar. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey, the experience, the thrill of the open road. It's about the sheer joy of driving a car that's been crafted with passion and precision. And that, in essence, is what makes Jaguar cars so special. This is the end of our journey today. But remember, every journey is just the beginning of another, so keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep driving. The road is yours,